He returned to this in a speech he addressed to the leaders who participated in the pledge ceremony of Club IntwararuMuri, which took place this Saturday evening, November 16, 2024. This was preceded by the 17th meeting of the Union of Club IntwararuMuri. The head of state said that the unity of the Union is based on the history of Rwandans, which includes what Rwandans are like. He says, "What we are, if you refuse, you would like, whatever you are a Rwandan, if you clean up, you will be saved. There are many people who may say that I don't want to be a Rwandan. If you come from other countries and they give you a passport, you can feel that it is your right, but when people think about it, one wants to remind others what you are. If you are Rwandan, you have other additions. Maybe, but it doesn't erase other natives." The head of state said that the unity of the Union was founded on the history of Rwandans. President Kagame said that when people understand what it is, they strive to improve, so for Rwandans, he asks them to strive that whenever people talk about Rwanda, they should understand that being called Rwandans is something that they should be visible and good. However, the head of state said that what people always want is good things that do not happen all the time, because sometimes there are bad things, only people strive to overcome them. He said, "You're not always as virtuous as you'd like to be, for many reasons. We in Rwanda want to be characterized by the good." One could say that in the last 30 years it is our struggle to be characterized by the good, especially where in the past years we were characterized by the bad. We want to leave behind the bad things that happened to us. President Kagame and Madam attended the swearing-in ceremony at the end of the 17th UNITY Club IntwararuMuri. President Kagame says that the country is far away, because even now, 30 years after the genocide against the Tutsi was stopped, there are places in the world where you will find many people who know Rwanda well, but there are other places where Rwanda is like where was it years ago, 30 years ago. He said, "We are in trouble, we are in trouble. We will live with this color for a long time, because what is written in history, what is written in books is not true, but we can reduce the evil of that name thanks to the good things we do, which change the country and people's lives. This is the battle we are in."